Ways to earn money online without investment. Online surveys and market research. Participating in online surveys and market research can earn you money by providing your opinions on various topics. Companies are willing to pay for consumer insights to help them make better business decisions. Freelancing. You can offer your skills as a freelancer on websites like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. You can offer services such as writing, graphic design, programming, and more. You can set your own rates and work on projects that interest you. Selling handmade goods on eBay. If you have a crafty side, you can sell handmade goods on eBay. This platform allows you to sell items such as jewelry, clothing, home decor, and more. You only need to pay a small fee to list your items for sale. Affiliate marketing. You can earn money by promoting products and services on your website or social media accounts. You get a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Virtual tutoring or teaching online classes. If you have expertise in a certain subject, you can earn money by offering virtual tutoring or teaching online classes. This can be done through platforms like TutorMe or Udemy. Writing reviews for products and services. Companies are often willing to pay for honest reviews of their products and services. You can write these reviews on your blog or on websites like influencer.co. Participating in online forums and discussion groups. You can earn money by participating in online forums and discussion groups. Some websites, such as Swagbucks, pay users for their participation in these communities. Dropshipping using social media platforms. You can start a dropshipping business by promoting products on your social media accounts. You don't need to hold any inventory, as the supplier will ship the products directly to your customers. Data entry and transcribing audio to text. If you have strong typing skills, you can earn money by doing data entry or transcribing audio to text. These jobs can be found on websites like Indeed or FlexJobs. Offering pet sitting or dog walking services. If you love animals, you can earn money by offering pet sitting or dog walking services. You can promote these services in your local community or on websites like Rover.